Today I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare a Dirty Leprechaun. Now this is a layered shot, so you're going to want to get your shot glass ready, along with your bar spoon to help you out layering. We're going to start with our Jägermeister. Now we're going to pour this directly on the bottom, a third of the way up. Jägermeister, by the way, nice little nugget of wisdom, means master of the hunt. Really, really good stuff here. Next, our Bailey's Irish Cream. You're going to penetrate that the top of the layer of Jaeger with your bar spoon, and you're going to pour your Bailey's directly onto your bar spoon. And notice how it just drips down and sinks to the bottom. Create a nice distinct layer. Last but not least, you're going to take your melon liqueur, which gives you that green, and you're going to pour directly on your bar spoon again, and it's going to drain right down again underneath your Jägermeister and right above your Bailey's Irish Cream. This is going to blend in a little bit, but that is in essence your Dirty Leprechaun. Enjoy.